look at your boy today. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Idris Majo. Back with another video, man. The one and only Idris Majo is back with another banger, man. If you are reading the title, if you've seen the title of the video, you know what we got going on today. Today we got some fire, man. Today we got the, hold on. We got the Heat mystery box, man. Yo, I've been waiting to do another mystery box video for the longest time, man. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, these mystery boxes, they not cheap. I ain't know they wasn't cheap, you feel me? But now I'm into it, man. They not cheap at all. And you feel me? I live in New York, and y'all know the quarantine out here is crazy, so I can't get a job or nothing like that. So I just have to spend my bread wisely, you feel me? I really have to spend my funds wisely. But I really like doing these type of videos, and I like, you feel me? I'm trying to build a designer collection up. Along with my channel, I'm trying to get into more fashion and stuff. So yeah, with that being said, I just have to use my money so wisely. But please let me know if y'all like these type of videos. If you want to let me know if you like these type of videos, comment down in the comment section down below, Heat, H-E-A-T, to let me know if y'all want more of these videos, man. And if I get enough comments, I'ma definitely get more of these type of mystery boxes. If you're new to the channel, please let me know in the comment section down below. Just put like new viewer or something like that, and also make sure you hit a like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on all post notifications so you know when your boy's dropping these bangers, man. No cap. Also, if you are a returning subscriber and you watch one of my videos before, yo, you my dude, man. You my dude. Or do that, you feel me? We don't discriminate. We like both on these channels, both genders. If you're returning to the channel, thank you very much. Make sure you stay tuned to the end, because I might have something very important for you guys that you guys will absolutely like. So stay tuned until the end. Hey man, this is the Heat mystery box. If this is your first time ever hearing about this, basically I'ma just like tell y'all a couple of stuff about the Heat mystery box. Basically, it's a mystery box. They have the men's original box and they have the men's high ticket box. They also have the women's handbag box, I believe, and the women's original box. I'm not really too sure. And this is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just, you feel me? Like, I actually mess with this company. So basically, you just pay them money to get a box, and each box comes with a guaranteed value of like $700 to $1,000. Like, all of it is, you getting more for what you pay for. The value of it is absolutely like ridiculous. The value of it is crazy, and that's why I mess with them so much. And you feel me, they just give you fire. Like, I did a Heat mystery box video from before, feel me, I got some fire. So today, hopefully I get something even better, something that I might consider even keeping. Also, this mystery box, it only took like 7 days to come. Like, I ordered it on Thursday, today is Thursday, and I got it like this morning, bro. As soon as I woke up, it was at my door, bro. So that was crazy. Their delivery is super fast. Yo, this sound like a sponsored video. I don't like that, because I'm not been sponsored by them, you feel me? And your boy needs some funds to get more mystery boxes. But basically, yeah, I mess with the company, so you feel me? I recommend them. If any one of y'all want to get them, make sure you hit them up on Instagram at Heat. And make sure you tell them your boy at Idris Majo sent you, man. For real. But yo, we've been talking too much. You're gonna get straight into the unboxing. Alright, so now I'm unboxing. I'm gonna show y'all like a preview before I even see anything. Let me know in the comment section down below if I have heat or not. If it's fire, let me know if y'all see anything. Can y'all see? Let me know what y'all see, and comment down in the comment section right now if it's fire or not. Comment down. Is it fire? Yo, comment. I see you not commenting. Scroll down and comment right now. Facts. Yeah, you better come. Now I'm chilling. Now I'm joking. Alright, so I showed y'all what we got, and now we about to see for ourselves. I'm about to see for myself what I got, man. Hopefully it's on fire. Actually, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place it down, then I'm gonna pick it one by one and see what I got. So I placed it down. I'm gonna pick the first item, and let's see. First thing we got is this. Oh, let's go! Look at this. It's an off-white shirt. Yo, come on now. Yo, they blessed. Say less. Whoa. I ain't gonna fake. Nah, bro. I might have to keep this. I always wanted an off-white shirt, but you feel me? Growing up, I wasn't rich, so your boy didn't have money to cop it. But yo, look at this, bro. This is, I'm not gonna lie, this is fire. Yo, this shirt is fire. Come on, off-white on my body. No one could stop me. And if your girl see me, she gonna give me sloppy, no cap. Oh my God. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this shirt is fire, man. I mean, I had to put something slide on for the video, but yo, you feel me? If any of y'all see me in public and you with your girl, bro, and I got this on, bro, as soon as I take a step towards you, you better just and be out, bro. Cause if I got this and your girl see me with this on, bro, like, yo, I don't even got a haircut, bro. Like, if your girl see me with this on, bro, it's over, bro. Like, I'm taking her, like, bro, just say goodbye to your girl, bro. I don't want to, I'm telling y'all because I love y'all, you feel me? Y'all my subscribers, y'all watching my video. I'm just letting it be known, if you see me in public and you with your girl, please turn the other direction. Because if I got the drip on, she's folding, 100%. If I got the drip, you better dip, bro. So this is the Off-White 2013 collection. I don't know if y'all can see that right here. 2013. I'm not gonna fake, I might keep this. I really wanted a Off-White, I really always wanted an Off-White shirt. But we're gonna get into the next item. Let's not waste too much time. Next up, let's see what we got. I think we got 3 items, bro. I felt 3. Yo, if we have 3 items, it's litty. No cap, bro. It's litty. What's this? It's a plain black tee. JWA. It's JW Anderson. Personally, I never heard of this company before. But I'm not gonna look. This is like a regular black tee. Let's see. Does it have a price tag? Nah, it doesn't. But it's a medium black regular JW Anderson tee. I never heard of it. If you guys know how much like these go for, if this is a good company, let me know down in the comment section down below. Because I personally never heard of JW Anderson. But if, you feel me, if they fire, please let me know in the comment section down below before I sell this. Because I'm going to be tight. If this is a fire brand that could potentially appreciate in value and I sell it, you feel me? So comment down right now. Comment down right now if you know about this company, man. Yo, don't violate. Comment down right now if you know about this company. No cap. So next up is the third, and I believe it might be the last item. Yo, we got 3 items. Fire. Alright, I'm gonna open the next one. Next up, let's see what we got. See what we got. What's this? What's this? This, nah, come on. Y'all see this? This gotta be the Heron Preston. It gotta be, bro. Is this? I believe this is Heron Preston, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. This fake fire. This is kind of fire, man. I'm not really sure what brand this is. I really believe it's Heron Preston, but I'm gonna check real quick. So give me a second to let me check what this brand is. Yeah, I guess I was tweaking. It's just called 032C, like it says on the collar. I don't know why I thought it was Heron Preston. I guess because they give a lot of Heron Preston now, so that's what I was assuming. But look at the detail of the shirt. Like, look at this. It's kind of like two-tone-ish. If y'all could see this, this is like the black regular fabric. Then here is like, it's like a linen cloth. Then here again it has like this black regular fabric. And I actually like the stitching on this. This right here is dope. Like, this is fire right here. The stitching on this fire, man. I'm not gonna lie, I really want to keep the Off-White shirt. Hopefully I could sell these 2 back and make some, like, you feel me, make some good money back. At least a percentage of what I spent. Because if I did that, this would be a success. Y'all already know I'm trying to build a designer collection all within from the videos and stuff like that. So yeah, that would be fire. So quick recap. First item we got was this fire Off-White shirt. And like I said, if your girl see me with the drip, my guy, you better dip. Because she's getting TYB, no cap. Second up, we got this JW Anderson shirt. Just a plain black tee, you feel me? It's cool, but I doubt I'll keep it because, you feel me? I got enough black tees, bro. Then last up, we have the 032C. Never really heard of this brand. We have this, I don't know what to call this shirt. It's like a long sleeve shirt. But this shirt is kind of fire, but I doubt I'll keep it because, I don't know, I might. Because this is kind of like, this is like a different kind of style for me. And yeah, I just feel like this is kind of fire. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And also, look at the back. It also has this fire stitching too. I like that, no doubt. So, oh, I thought that was it, bro. We got glasses too. Yo, they blessed, bro. Yo, they blessed me 4 items. Yo, let's see what we got, man. I hope these are fires. Like, I honestly, I'm already satisfied with what I got, because that's like 3 shirts and a pair of glasses. Come on now, come on, it's about to be fire, bro. Alright, so I'm opening it. Hold on. I guess the brand is called Costa. I never really heard of it. It came with this thing. Also came with stickers. These stickers is fire. I like these accessories. I like them. Now let's check the glasses out. See? Let's check the glasses. I'm gonna take it out this thing. So let's see if these are fire, man. See if these fire. Look at these. These is kind of cool. I'm not even gonna put them on, you feel me? I don't want the dead stock to be voided, but look at these. These are a pretty cool pair of sunglasses. I mess with these, I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, personally, I never heard of the brand, but these are a fire pair of sunglasses. I don't wear glasses like that, but if I were to wear sunglasses, I think I will rock something like this, because this is fire, man. And yo, like I said, yo, he absolutely blessed today, man. Especially with this, I have to say this is my favorite piece of the day. The Off-White 2013 collection shirt. This shirt is fire, bro. And once again, yo, this shirt is fire. I'm absolutely happy with what I got, man. Like I said, if y'all want to get a pair, make sure you DM them at Heat and tell them at Idris Majo sent you, man. Because I need my sponsorship, you feel me? I need that sponsorship. So if you're watching this and you want to sponsor me, y'all already know my Instagram, man. Hit me up. Y'all know my business email. Hit me up, man. I need a sponsorship so I can have more bangers like this. And quickly, I want to say something very, very important. If you guys want to support the channel, you feel me? I told y'all your boy don't really got the funds to be buying too much of these things. So if you want to support the channel in any way, it's absolutely free. All you have to do is like the video. Comment down below. You could comment anything down. Comment Idris Majo Squad. Comment Heat down in the comment section. You could comment anything, absolutely anything. But what that does is, if you like and comment on the video, and also if you like and comment on the video, YouTube will push that video out to other people so we can get exposure, you feel me? Although I do get paid on the videos, a heavy factor of that is views. And if I'm not getting views, you can imagine I'm only getting little like pennies, bro, for real. So it would be really I would really appreciate if you guys could like the video, comment down below anything, even multiple comments, you feel me? Like, run the comments up, like, feel me? Run that comments up, man. And most importantly, turn on all post notifications so y'all know when I'm dropping more videos like these. Feel free to share this video with a family member, a friend, anybody, man. Just share the video so it can get maximum exposure. And yeah, that is the end of the video. I'm really happy and satisfied. I'm above satisfied with what I got, man. So I'm really happy with what I got. I got some absolute fire. And yeah, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, you know what to do, man. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on all post notifications so you know when your boy Idris Majo is dropping these bangers, man. I'ma see y'all on the next one. And last thing, if your girl see the drip, you better dip, no cap. I'ma see you on the next one. Peace.
Come on, desk got songs to play. Switch it up, Bruce Wayne. I got different designers, something different every day. Come on, desk got songs to play. Switch it up, Bruce Wayne. I got different designers, something different every day. Getting green like broccoli, I cop designer while I play. And my plug be finessing, cooking up like Joe. Now y'all wanna be my clones, cause I'm resurrecting, played out shit from the buff, from the bones. Now it's all up in your flesh, no bereft. I got lightning on my chest, add some water, amber and wrist, feeling the